Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question: are vinyl windows customizable? I'd say they are. A lot of times people think of windows, they think, oh, they're rectangle, or you can only do a certain style of window, or like a custom size or a custom shape. A vinyl window, the answer is absolutely. And I have here, it's an open half with an operable bottom. So it's a single hung window that'll slide at the bottom, and you have the half round at the top with grids. So this is for a customer who has a stairwell landing and has this window. So we're gonna put this in for her. Before it was just a picture window, and she wanted to see if she can get some airflow. She wanted to see if she could get a operable window. She didn't want a lot of air, just a little bit. It's a wonderful system, right? So opens up, she gets airflow. Whenever she's done, she closes it, it's locked. Now, this is not the only thing that you can do with vinyl windows. I mean, you can do trapezoids, you can do gables, you can do triangle windows, you can do half round windows, you can do open seg windows. There's so many different things that you can do with a vinyl window. So now there's limitations. This may not mean much to you, but a 23-inch width is about the minimum that you can do for a bend. Meaning anything like this, anything that is a full circle, things like that, you're gonna be limited to 23 inches width. That's for me to know and me to teach you and others who are coming to your house and giving you quotes on windows, but it's definitely doable. Get out there and get your quotes. But anyways, just to show you guys, yes, there's many options you can do for a vinyl window. It's not just gonna be squared or rectangle windows. There's tons you can do. Guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.